All I want to know is where this Testarossa is. And I spoke too soon with the traffic because it's like, yay, nope, oh, there he goes. Hello again, YouTube. Welcome back. It is another weekly vlog, and we are out for lunch. And it is a beautiful day. It's hot, it's sunny. We're gonna go find some water and some views. We're gonna take some time to have a relaxing afternoon. My least favorite part about Florida, if I had to pick one, would be traffic, because you just can't escape it. No matter what day it is, no matter what time of the day it is, it just seems like it's never ending. I want to be past cars, I don't want to be behind them, I don't want to be directly in front of them, I just want to be moving. If this was any other state, I'd be right up the middle. I like to call these little trips treasure hunts, because we are out looking for the little nugget of treasure, the little nuggets of fun, the good spots, good food, cars, interactions, whatever it might be. That's what we're looking for. That guy's not even paying attention. So we're looking for gems. We're on the treasure hunt. We're on the hunt. You only get an hour for lunch. You want to maximize the time. And even if you're not eating that whole time, you know, you want to relax. You want to do a little exploring. Bro. Real life. Real life. Sometimes when looking for treasures, you have to find trash. And this little treasure that I'm about to find is going to be worth those couple minutes of trash. I also saw a Ferrari Testarossa, I think, go this way, which is like one of my all-time bucket list cars. So if I see it, I'm gonna definitely pull over. See, the traffic makes it annoying to live here, but this makes it worth it. You know what I mean? Look at the traffic to get down to the beach down there. All I want to know is where this Testarossa is. And I spoke too soon with the traffic because it's like, yay, nope, oh, there he goes. No, that was it. I missed it. He's going back the other way. Ah, I just said that, was distracted, and there he goes. Dang. That was exactly what I was talking about. I'm going back the other way. I'm outie. We're going to find its Testarossa. The views are great, but Testarossa is greater. It is really nice out here, though. This breeze is great. Sun's out. I'm getting hit in the face with sand. Sir, bring back your car. All right, we gotta catch this boy. Where'd he at? See if we can. Let's keep our heads swiveled and our eyes peeled. Oh, here we go. He got up at the light. He's got to be up here, right? Come on. Help me out here. Now I got to make a choice. Which way did he go? To the right or straight? What do you think? I'm guessing to the right. That's which way I'm going. Dang. I thought we were going to catch him at that light right there, but Ferrari man's a quick man. Oh, I don't see him there. I think we lost him, guys. Wow, how did that happen? The hunt continues, and it's going to continue, but I'm going to continue it up this direction and just hope that I can catch him. But again, see, that's the beauty of these little treasure hunts, because we see something, we had a chance, we lost them, and now, you know, it's like now it's like a little game. Now I have to try to find this guy next time, because, you know, again, one of those bucket list cars. That's that. Maybe this is a new thing I can do, is just, you know, see if I can come find people, find the cars. So, hope you enjoyed. We'll see you next time, and, yeah.